In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your chatbot to Slack. Whether you're creating a brand new chatbot or integrating one using an external service, this tutorial will guide you through the process seamlessly. First, you'll want to start by creating a Slack app. To do this, head over to the Slack API, specifically the Your Apps section. Once you're there, look for the option that says Create New App and click on it. For the next step, you'll need to choose From Scratch. This option allows you to build your app from the ground up, giving you full control over the features and settings. You'll be prompted to provide a name for your app and select the workspace where it will be installed. This is crucial because it determines where your chatbot will function. Once you've filled in these details, simply click Create App to finalize the setup. Now that you've created your app, it's time to configure the bot permissions. Navigate to your Slack app settings and find the section labeled OAuth and Permissions. Within this area, scroll down to find the Scopes section and specifically look for bot token scopes. This is where you'll set the permissions that your bot will have. Common permissions include chat write for sending messages, IM history for reading direct messages, channels read for listing channels, and channels join for allowing your bot to join channels. Once you've added the necessary permissions, click on Install App to Workspace to receive your bot user OAuth token. This token is integral for authenticating your bot's actions within Slack. The next step involves adding a bot user. In the Slack app settings, go to App Home and then Bot Users. You'll want to click on Add a Bot User. This is where you get to personalize your bot with a display name and a default username. After entering these details, make sure to save your changes. At this point, you're ready to connect your bot to Slack, and you have a couple of paths you can take depending on your needs. The first option is using an external bot service. Many popular services like Dialogflow, OpenAI, or ManyChat come equipped with Slack integrations. Typically, these services will prompt you to enter your bot token. After that, you'll select your desired workspace and channels to connect with. Finally, send a test message to ensure everything is working smoothly. Alternatively, if you're more inclined to code your own solution, you can use a programming language such as Node.js or Python. For Python, the Slack SDK package is your go-to, while for Node.js, you'll want the @Slack Web API library. After setting up your code, open your Slack workspace, head to a channel, or direct message your bot to send a test message. Make sure to confirm that your bot responds as expected. And there you have it. You've successfully connected your chatbot to Slack. Enjoy the newfound functionalities your bot will bring to your Slack communications.